Hello guys, come back to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to cash out Solana from Phantom wallet. So before getting started, I want you to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you have to do, go over to send. You can see it over here, which is display here. And what you have to do is for you to go over to search Solana. Is over here. So over here where you'll be able to ask to provide the name of the address, or you can scan the QR code before proceeding to the next step. Over here you need to paste the address from exchange. You need to paste the address for the exchange in which you want to withdraw your Solana. Let's say you want to do it on Binance, so let me go over to Binance. And before doing this, make sure that your Binance app is verified so you'll be able to carry out transaction over here on Binance. So where you have to go is for you to go over to wallet, and over the wallet side you're going to see deposits. Let me go over to deposits, and over here what you have to do is for you to search Solana. Let me go over to it, and you can see it at the upside. So what you have to do here is for you to choose the Solana chain. So let me go over to Solana, and you'll be able to copy your deposit address. So let me go over to copy the deposit address. You can also save it, or you share the address also. So let me go over to Solana where I'm going to paste it. Let me do allow paste. Let me go over to paste it, and this is it over here. So what you have to do is for you to go over to next, and let me put you have to put the amount of SON which you need. You have to put the amount of SON which you want. Let me go over to put 200, and when you are done you can go over to next. Then you'll be able to initiate your transfer, and when you go over to next, you just have to initiate your transfer, and you just have to conclude everything. This way you'll be able to cash out your Solana from Phantom wallet. Then you'll be able to see it on your Binance account, and that's how you'll be able to cash out Solana from Phantom wallet. In case you want to use Bybit or any exchange you want, you can follow through this pattern which I did. Guys, this is the end of this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and see you next time. Bye.